no revenue, no US credit history, no SSN, and still gets $5,000 to $10,000 in business credits for your US company? Yes, in this video I will show you real proof and real steps and real fintechs giving credits to non-US founders. I'm Asif Robin, founder of Boosty Global and certified acceptance agent. We help international entrepreneurs build US companies and access banking, credit, and tax support 100% remotely. Why you need business credit? Most startups fail because of cash flow. You need business credit to buy inventory, run ads on Facebook and Google, pay for tools, freelancer and SaaS, get longer payment terms from your suppliers, protect your personal assets. Real requirements: fintechs like Divvy, RAM, Brex check US LLC or corporation, EIN number, US business bank account like Mercury and Relay, business website and email, DUNS number, NAV credit profile or Net-30 account. Sources: Brex.com, Ramp.com, NAV.com. Example: Boosty helped their client to form LLC, get an EIN number plus business bank account, Net-30 with Summa or Uline, DUNS and NAV created, got $5,000 from Relay, got $5,000 from Ramp, $3,500 from Divvy, $6,000 from Brex. No SSN, no personal credit check. What to do right now? Register your LLC, get your EIN number and US address, open Mercury or Relay business bank account, apply for DUNS at www.dnb.com. For Net-30 vendors, Uline.com, SummaOfficeSupplies.com, CrownOfficeSupplies.com. Boosty Global can help you. LLC plus EIN setup, bank account opening, Relay or Mercury, DUNS and vendor credit, NAV monitoring, RAM, Divvy or Brex credit support for founders in India, Pakistan, Nigeria, Bangladesh, Canada, and many more. Ready to get your $5,000 and $10,000 in credit? Visit right now www.boostyglobal.com. Like this video, subscribe, comment your country. We will reply with your strategy.